Bienvenidos a mi canal. Hoy vamos a estar hablando sobre cómo comparamos números enteros. Comparing integers. First, see this number line. We are talking about the absolute value. The distance between any given integer and zero is known as the absolute value of the number. This distance is always represented with a positive number. The symbol is used to indicate an absolute value. Para comenzar a hablar sobre comparar enteros, vamos a definir lo que se conoce como el valor absoluto. ¿Y qué es el valor absoluto? Pues es la distancia que hay de un número entero y cero. Recuerden, la distancia. Por lo tanto, cuando vamos a representar el valor absoluto, no van a haber números negativos, solamente la cantidad de unidades que hay entre un número y el cero. Distancia. Okay, let's see. The right side of this number line are positive. The absolute value of positive 6 is 6 because there are 6 units from 6 to 0. It is written like this. And it's read, the absolute value of positive 6 is 6. Look at the number line. We have 0, and in the right side, we have the positive number. In the left side, we have the negative numbers. How many units are there from positive 4 to 0? Vamos a buscar el valor absoluto de 4. Recuerden que estamos hablando sobre unidades. Por lo tanto, vamos a contar las unidades que hay entre este número 4 hasta el 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the absolute value of positive 4? The answer is 4. Look at the number line once again. Okay, in the right side, remember the positive numbers. In the left side, we have the negative numbers. And now, how many units are from negative 5 to 0? En esta ocasión, quiero que me digas el valor absoluto de negativo 5. Vamos a buscar el valor absoluto de negativo 5. Recuerden, estamos hablando de valor absoluto. Por lo tanto, el valor absoluto son las unidades que existen entre 0 y este número. Por lo tanto, ya no será negativo, sino positivo, porque habla de distancia. What is the absolute value of negative 5? The answer is 5. Easy. Now that you learn to look for the absolute value, you will now compare numbers. Look at the 2 cups. In the A, we have 4 ounces. In the B, we have 1 ounce. Which of the 2 cups has a greater amount of liquid? Cup A, yes, has a greater amount of liquid. This sentence is an inequality sentence, and this is the symbol that we need to use when 4 is greater than 1. Okay, on the planet Mercury, the temperature can reach up 500 Celsius degrees. On Earth, about 22 Celsius degrees. On Neptune, negative 220 Celsius degrees. And on Uranus, we have negative 214 Celsius degrees. Compare and order these integers. Vamos a comparar estos valores sobre la temperatura de estos planetas. When comparing integers, think about their position regarding zero on a thermometer. We have 0 here. You may notice that on a thermometer, this scale contains positive and negative numbers. The numbers that are above 0 are positive. The higher number, higher the value, and the temperature will be used. Less than, greater than, or equal to compare integers. In this example, you must first compare the positive temperatures. The temperature on Mercury that reached 500 Celsius degrees and the temperature on air, which is about 22 Celsius degrees. So 500 Celsius degrees is greater than 22 Celsius degrees. It's too easy, ¿ok? Cuando estamos comparando números positivos es mucho más fácil indicarnos quién es el mayor, pues es el que más lejos está del cero. ¿Ok? Vamos a continuar con las otras temperaturas. In the other hand, the numbers that are below 0 are negative. It is negative. The lower value and the temperature will be on Neptune is negative 220 Celsius degrees, while on planet Uranus is negative 214 Celsius degrees. So in this negative 220 is less because they are too far off the zero, and negative 214 is more close to zero. Por lo tanto, tenemos que observar que aunque aparenta tener un número más grande, es menor porque el valor de los negativos a medida que se alejan del cero tienen menor valor. Remember that when positive numbers are compared, the number with the highest value will be the greatest number. It's easy, no? But when comparing negative numbers, the number with the smallest absolute value will be greater number. Okay? You may also use a number line to compare integers. Notice that as you move from the left to the right on the number line, the integers will be greater than the numbers to their left. Therefore, the last number to the right on the number line will be the greatest number of all shown. Aquí tenemos nuestra recta numérica. Recuerden, cuando estamos hablando de valores absolutos, no hay negativos, porque estamos hablando de distancia. Pero cuando vayamos a comparar los números negativos y positivos, tenemos que tener en cuenta esta ley. A medida que los negativos se van alejando del cero, su valor es menor. A medida que los positivos van aumentando, su valor también aumenta. So, siempre la escala va a estar aumentando hacia la derecha. Los números hacia la derecha van en aumento. Van en disminución de valor hacia la izquierda. Por lo tanto, Positivo 7 es mayor que negativo 7. Look at this number line. We have 0. We have the negatives in the left side. So we have compare 7 and 4 of number I positive. Number 7 is greater because it is to the right of 4. So 7 is greater than 4. And 4 is less than 7. It's easy, no? Let's see another example. We have the negative side, this left side, and the positive side. Now, compare negative 2 and negative 5. Both numbers are negative. Negative is to the right of positive 5. So, who is closest to the 0? Negative 2. Now, negative 5 is less than negative 2, or negative 2 greater than negative 5. Okay, let's see in the practice exercise in the EasyNet. Bye-bye.